Hola, soy Santi.
Hi, I'm Angela.
Together we're realizing our dream of relocating to my homeland in the south of Spain.
Along with our Australian Shepherd Levi, we want to share our passion for the Mediterranean lifestyle, where the sun shines more than 320 days a year.
So if you like this video and you want to join us on our journey, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Livinlavidacosta.
Cause I found my way.
Good afternoon from Cala Capitan.
Yes, one of our favorite beaches in the area.
Yeah, 19 degrees. It's absolutely gorgeous out. Like, I mean, I'm in, she's wearing jeans, but I mean, it's warm.
Oh yeah, it's warm.
So
Once you're in the sun, oh yeah.
This is definitely one of our favorite spots in the area. And this is our favorite little path too.
So normally right there, well, that's where the chiringuito would be, and this would be all full of sunbeds and umbrellas.
Definitely one of our favorite spots to walk.
Sure.
We've done this walk with Levi. This is definitely one. This is where we would always set up, right here.
Yes.
Right there.
Over here.
Right here. This little spot was ours.
Yes.
So today, mind my fingers again, I'm just going to tilt it.
I always get mad at them. I'm like, hon, I can see your sausage fingers. But yeah, so today we wanted to come on here and talk about two things that we're excited for. First order of celebration is our 1 year of living in this area, or owning a house in Cabo Roig,
which is
this area.
Which is amazing.
Yeah.
Like we said many times, we didn't, 3 years ago, we didn't see this coming.
No.
And it's changed our perspective on life. Just to go over that 1 year anniversary, we bought the house and we kind of formulated that in our minds. We started moving towards, okay, we're going to retire here.
Yes.
It's not just a holiday home.
No.
We're actually just we're going to retire here.
Yep.
And that changed everything.
For sure.
That changed it.
It put almost like a new sense of purpose in our life, like something to look forward to. You accumulate a lot of things in your life, but really, does that really make you happy? No, it doesn't. It's for us being able to do this, being able to go for walks. We have the Mediterranean Sea right at our doorstep, and this does not cost anything. It doesn't cost anything to put your shoes on and go for a walk, or sit up at the beach.
Where do we see ourselves retiring as we get older? Where do we see ourselves just toning everything down? So, I mean, was it easy? No, God, no, it wasn't easy. It took a lot of organizing, a lot of work, a lot of running around, a lot of paperwork, lawyers. But in the end, it's the result we're looking at.
Yeah, for sure.
So a year of living here, how do we feel?
Amazing.
We feel really good.
Yeah.
Next celebration we got to do, we have to celebrate is a year of YouTube.
Yes, our 1 year anniversary on YouTube. So our YouTubeversary.
Yeah.
That's what we'll call it.
YouTube.
So YouTubeversary. Yeah, so if you look at our account actually says that we started in August of 2022, which was the first year that we bought our original house, where we had thought about, okay, we're going to start YouTube. We're going to, and I think at that point, we actually put together our intro. So our intro goes 1 year back.
Yep.
We didn't post our first video until December 9th, 2023.
Which is crazy. It's a huge learning.
Yes,
I've never been a really techie person.
No.
So it's been a huge learning curve.
Oh, yeah.
And I think going into retirement, and I'm going to speak for myself right now.
Yeah.
I'm going from at times, 70-hour work week, extremely demanding, high-paced, long hours, training, it just everything.
Non-stop. Yeah.
Non-stop. To this. So doing this for you, for the YouTube crowd, it's not only for you, it's also for us.
Yeah.
It's something that I'm going to finally be able to have the time to actually really figure out how the GoPro works.
Yes.
I've got a really nice Sony
something. We don't know.
I gotta figure it out. Having issues with the stabilizer.
Yeah.
So I mean, figure out everything. Our software that we use to do our videos. There's so much for me still to learn. And not only that, like to be able to say, okay, you know what? Look at the, sorry, I'm like a dog, squirrel.
Yeah.
Look at the green.
It's amazing.
Look at the clarity of the water. It's part of our goal for our YouTube channel is not only, you know, we're also going to share this with everybody we're leaving in Canada.
Yes.
My co-workers, our parents, our sisters, our brothers, our children,
kids.
until they come here.
Yeah.
So are we excited to do that? 100%.
Oh yeah.
That's going to be almost a full-time job in itself. No.
And for the amount of work that actually goes into even just one video, one 10 to 15 minute video, it's about 15 hours of my time.
Yeah. Also to say, down the road, when I do retire full-time, what I'd like is for you, the audience, also to let us know what you'd like to see us do, because I also have plans on interviewing people. I want to interview, people who've moved here, people who've raised families here, and talk to them about why, where they're from, if they're from Finland, if they're from Iceland, if they're from Sweden, UK. And get to know people, meet people that work here, start a business, and I want to incorporate that into the channel as well, because I do love hearing stories about other people.
Yeah.
And to be able to get those stories from somebody and say, well, yeah, we moved here 35 years ago, or we moved here 2 months ago.
Yeah.
We took our kids, we moved here. We do have a family near our house that has 3 kids, and they're from Sweden. And they upended their life. Hi, Magnus. And they upended their lives. They sold their house in Sweden. Now they live across the street from us.
Yeah.
And it's those type of stories that I do want to have time to do. No, I think we're very excited.
We are very excited. We're excited for this next chapter in our life. We have YouTube to look forward to, which is kind of, a hobby that we're going to take up. Santi more so, because he'll have more time than I will. And I just want to say, if there's someone out there that wants to start YouTube, do it.
Do it.
You have nothing to lose, honestly.
Let me don't quit your day job.
No, gosh, no.
Especially if you're young and you're starting to,
no, that's not what we're saying.
I wouldn't quit my day job for this. Let's put it that way. Hello. But no, it is. It's going to be my hobby.
Yes.
It's going to fulfill me. Leave the wife behind, take Levi, and do maybe even figure out how to do some live streamings.
Yes.
And me and Levi walk a different area, discover a different area, and there's going to be a whole bunch of aspects to this. And we're excited.
We are.
I was going to say, just in closing, what we're doing is exciting. We're very excited, but like everything else in life, it is terrifying when you're going to take on such a monumental change in everything, your income, your lifestyle, your comforts, but to give all that up to pursue your dream of having a better retirement. And I mean, I joke about me being 54, but I'm young enough that I can do this.
Yes.
I wouldn't do this if I was 70. If ours
some people do. Some people leave, like UK and Sweden and all these other countries, and move to Spain at 70.
Absolutely.
And
I know. I'm talking about the YouTube thing.
Oh, okay, YouTube. Oh, sorry.
I'm so untechy now. Can you imagine when I'm 70?
Oh, okay.
I'll be doing GoPro when I'm 70, and everybody's on some AI built into your back of your forehead thing, and I'm like, they're like, what are you using a GoPro for?
Yeah.
I'm like, we thought we'd just share some of our thoughts on 1 year of living in Cabo Roy, and 1 year
YouTubersary
of trying to entertain you, crowd.
Yes.
We hope we entertain you. We hope we give you what you want.
We hope we've inspired some of you that if you've ever thought about moving. What, no?
No, I was just thinking. Remember one of the first videos we did here?
Oh yeah, with your
and I did the little
yes. Oh my gosh,
little
that was corny. I'm sorry for all of those For all of you who watched like our first 10 to 15 videos, I apologize in advance. They were really corny. We will never use emojis ever again in our videos. That was Sandy's idea.
That's because I was the editor back then. I was fired real quick.
Oh yeah, you're fired, like Trump says.
That was like a complete rearrangement of the company's direction.
No, but yeah, so like getting back to YouTube, like I said, if someone's out there and they want to start it, absolutely do it. Does it cost money? Yes, it does.
Yeah,
like,
it does.
Like, and that's why, like, when people say, "Oh, you can start YouTube with just your phone." Well, for us, it's cost us thousands. I have to say, like, we have 2 drones, we have 2 GoPros, we have a Sony vlogging camera, we have monthly subscriptions. Like, it's cost us a lot of money.
Yeah, it has actually.
And like, no, the monetary exchange that YouTube pays us is.
Oh yeah, no,
we don't make PewDiePie's money.
But we don't. But you know, I got to be honest.
We don't care.
I don't expect to. This is something we're going to be doing.
Yes.
Going in, sorry, we're shrinking. This is going to be something that we're going to be doing as we get older, and
exactly.
I enjoy it.
Oh yeah.
Well, hey, combines walking, sunshine, beach,
and talking, because he likes to talk a lot.
I don't talk a lot. Do I? Yeah, I do.
And you know what? If you guys didn't know this, I'm very shy and I'm an introvert. So like for me to get out here and talk and in front of a camera, it takes a lot of courage. It really does. Making fun of me, hon.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you still love me though.
Very much.
Yeah.
So on that note, we're gonna kiss.
Yes.
In front of our favorite beach right here.
We want to say we're so glad we've been in this area for 1 year. We've had a home in this area, and to you guys out there for being with us on this YouTube journey. Happy YouTubeversary, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios, amigos.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We feel so blessed to call this place our second home for now. Thank you for being part of our first year on YouTube. It means the world to us. If you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd love it if you did.